Hey, what's going on, everybody? Short little video here. Just got to do a little sharpening here on my Gerber 06 Auto. Feel like the edge could take a little bit more of a sharper edge. I can get it does pop hair, but I don't know, something about it feels a little bit rough. So I want to try to put it on the sharpening stone here. I use the Work Sharp guided sharpener, and I'm going to put it on the 17-degree angle because it's a folding knife. Still, relatively a small blade, all things considered. Even though it's about 3.8 inches, 3.7 inches, something like that. So lube it up a little bit. Good old fashioned spit shine here. And take a few strokes on the coarse stone. This is S30V steel. And do the other side here. I think that was about 8 strokes or so. Some people say S30V is difficult to sharpen. We shall see here, but again, this knife was not super dull. I just want to, give it a little bit of upkeep here. You say you don't really have to wet. Actually, there's a good amount of black in here from last knife I sharpened. You don't really have to wet diamond stones from what I hear, but I feel I get better results with a little lubrication on there. You can use water or oil or self-made lubricant here like myself. We'll do 10 strokes per side here on the fine grit. Okay, now the Work Sharp guided system comes with ceramic rods as well. However, I've found that I typically skip that step and go right to a leather strop. Reason being, I don't know what it is, but I feel like I dull my knife's edge when I use ceramic. I don't know what it is that I do with these ceramic rods, but I just always feel like I get a duller edge going from the stone to the ceramic. I really try to only use them if I have a recurved blade, which is easier to use a rod-based sharpening system with the recurve due to the curvature instead of a straight flat stone. So let's see here. Yeah, we're definitely hair popping sharp. And we cut a little paper here. Let me feel like that was terrible. Well, Still a little rough, I'd say. Maybe a bit more on the stone here. What time we got? Gotta go ahead to pick up my son from school. Ooh, off the edge there, that's not good. It could be, maybe I should have used a 20-degree angle. Gerber tends to have a thicker edge on their knives, I've come to find. But for a folding knife, I feel like you don't need a super thick edge like you would a larger fixed blade. All right. Okay, let's try another piece of paper here. My son's drawings. All right, that is pretty good, I'd say. There we go, guys. Gerber 06. Getting a little touch up. I think I could maybe strap it a little bit more, but get a little more fine leather. Polish up that edge. And this knife is good to go. Really love the ergonomics on the Gerber 06 here. If you have the opportunity to get yourself one, just to have in your collection, they have a pretty good reputation. But any knife will fail depending on how you use it. So yeah, we are sharp, good to go here. Yeah, sharp all the way to the tip. That's how I like it, folks. Take care. See you next time.